Have you ever thought about how your diet could be the key to unlocking better kidney health? What if there are specific foods that could drastically improve your kidney function? In today's video, we're delving into a topic that affects millions worldwide: kidney health. Our kidneys are crucial for filtering waste and maintaining overall health, but they're often neglected in our daily diets. So, what are these magical foods that could make such a significant difference in kidney health? And how can they prevent or even reverse kidney damage? We've carefully selected 7 extraordinary foods that are not only beneficial for your kidneys but are also easily available at any local market. These aren't exotic, hard-to-find items. They're everyday foods with extraordinary benefits. Throughout this video, we'll explore each of these foods in detail. We'll uncover why they're essential for kidney health, backed by scientific research and expert opinions. Stay with us as we dive deep into the world of nutrition and kidney health. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a list of these 7 incredible foods but also understand how to incorporate them into your daily diet for maximum benefit. Let's embark on this journey to better health together. 1. Garlic. Have you ever considered that a simple kitchen staple like garlic could be your kidney's best friend? Let's delve into the world of this humble yet powerful herb. Garlic, known scientifically as Allium sativum, is not just a flavor enhancer, it's packed with properties that can significantly benefit kidney health. Garlic is renowned for its natural diuretic properties, meaning it helps increase urine output, thereby aiding in the removal of excess sodium and toxins from the body, a process essential for healthy kidney function. Moreover, its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities contribute to reducing oxidative stress, a key factor in chronic kidney disease. But what really makes garlic a kidney health champion? The answer lies in its high allicin content. Allicin, a sulfur-containing compound, is what gives garlic its distinct smell and taste. Scientific studies have shown that allicin can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are crucial for reducing the strain on your kidneys. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition demonstrated that garlic extract could effectively reduce blood pressure in individuals with hypertension, a leading cause of kidney stress and damage. Additionally, garlic boosts overall immune function, which is vital in preventing infections that can adversely affect the kidneys. Incorporating garlic into your meals for optimal kidney health is both simple and delicious. The best way to maximize its benefits is by consuming it raw or lightly cooked, as overcooking can diminish its medicinal properties. A popular and effective method is to mince fresh garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before adding it to your dishes. This resting period activates the allicin, enhancing its potency. Another great idea is to make a garlic-infused olive oil. Simply crush a few cloves of garlic and let them steep in olive oil for a few days, then use this oil to drizzle over your meals. Did you know there's a tiny seed that's been a secret weapon against kidney problems since 5000 BC? That's right, our number 2 spot is held by the mighty flaxseed. This little gem is so much more than just a seed. It's a superfood for your kidneys that deserves far more attention. When it comes to boosting kidney health, flax seeds are like little superheroes. They're not only linked to improved kidney function and reduced inflammation, but they're also a top-notch source of plant sterols. These natural compounds are fantastic at lowering blood cholesterol levels. Imagine, studies have shown that adding plant sterols to your diet can slash cholesterol levels by up to an astonishing 15%. For those dealing with inflammatory kidney disease, flaxseed could be a game changer. Research suggests that regular consumption can genuinely enhance kidney function in people with inflammatory nephritis. How can you add this wonder seed to your life? It's easy. Sprinkle it into your smoothies, or use flaxseed oil in your cooking to reap these incredible benefits. 3. Onions. Let's take a closer look at onions, these often underestimated kitchen staples, and their remarkable benefits for kidney health. Onions, with their rich sulfur compounds, are more than just a flavor enhancer. They're a powerhouse in supporting kidney function and overall health. Sulfur compounds in onions, responsible for their sharp taste and strong aroma, are key players in detoxifying the kidneys. They help in flushing out toxins, acting as natural diuretics, reducing the burden on your kidneys. This detoxifying effect is crucial in maintaining healthy kidneys. Seriously, onions are one of those foods you should always keep in your kitchen. Onions also boast impressive anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can be a significant concern for those with kidney issues, and the natural compounds found in onions help to alleviate this. A study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition highlights that the antioxidants in onions, such as quercetin, can reduce oxidative stress, a major contributor to kidney damage. Moreover, onions have been found to aid in reducing high blood pressure and cholesterol levels, two common culprits that can exacerbate kidney problems. The American Journal of Hypertension published findings indicating that the regular consumption of onions can contribute to lower blood pressure levels, thus easing the strain on kidneys. To maximize the benefits of onions for your kidneys, it's best to consume them raw. Raw onions retain more of their sulfur compounds compared to when they're cooked. Try adding thinly sliced red or sweet onions to your salads, sandwiches, or as a garnish. Not only will they add a punch of flavor, but they'll also provide these vital nutrients for kidney health. 4. Beetroot. Beetroot, this vibrant and earthy vegetable, holds a special place in the realm of kidney health. Its deep red color not only adds a visual appeal to your meals but also signifies its richness in essential nutrients. Beetroot is particularly renowned for its high nitrate content, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This compound plays a crucial role in maintaining blood vessel health and regulating blood pressure, which is vital for kidney health. A landmark study in 2015 published in the Hypertension Journal found that patients who consumed beetroot juice for 4 weeks saw their blood pressure drop by an impressive 10/5 millimeters of mercury. This is particularly beneficial for those with chronic kidney disease, as high blood pressure is a major risk factor that can exacerbate kidney problems. But how can you make the most of beetroot's benefits for your kidneys? The key is in how you prepare and consume it. Eating beetroot raw or juicing it is an excellent way to preserve its nutrients. For instance, adding grated beetroot to salads or making a fresh beetroot juice are simple yet effective ways to incorporate it into your diet. If you prefer cooked beetroot, try roasting or steaming it instead of boiling to minimize nutrient loss. Remember, the pigments in beetroot not only provide its color but also contain antioxidants, which are essential for reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, factors that can harm kidney health. 5. Bitter melon. Bitter melon, with its distinctively sharp taste, may not be everyone's favorite, but its benefits for kidney health are too significant to ignore. This peculiar-looking vegetable, widely used in Asian and African cuisines, is more than just a culinary ingredient. It's a potent natural remedy for various health issues, particularly for the kidneys. One of the most remarkable properties of bitter melon is its ability to mimic insulin, making it a valuable ally in managing blood sugar levels. This is crucial for kidney health, as high blood sugar can be a significant contributor to kidney damage, especially in diabetic patients. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2011 confirmed that bitter melon increases insulin sensitivity, thereby helping in the regulation of blood sugar levels. But how can you incorporate bitter melon into your diet to maximize its kidney benefits? One popular method is to include it in stir-fries, balancing its bitterness with other flavors. You can also juice it with a bit of apple or pear to soften the bitter taste. Another option is to use dried bitter melon powder, which can be easily added to smoothies or teas. 6. Carrots. Carrots, those vibrant, crunchy vegetables, are not just for improving vision, they're also incredibly beneficial for kidney health. Let's delve into why these root vegetables are so good for your kidneys. Carrots are rich in antioxidants, particularly beta-carotene, which gives them their bright orange color. These antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress in the kidneys, which is vital for maintaining healthy kidney function. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2014 highlighted that foods rich in beta-carotene, like carrots, are associated with a lower risk of chronic kidney disease. This is significant because chronic kidney disease often stems from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. However, it's important to note that carrots have a medium-high potassium content. A single medium-sized carrot contains around 200 milligrams of potassium. While potassium is essential for health, it's crucial for those with kidney issues to monitor their intake. Recent nephrology research is re-evaluating the relationship between dietary potassium and blood potassium levels, suggesting that the impact might differ from previously understood. To maximize the benefits of carrots for your kidney health, consider incorporating them into your diet in moderation. You can enjoy them raw as a snack, grate them into salads for extra crunch, or gently steam them to retain their nutrients. If you're monitoring your potassium intake, balancing carrot consumption with other low-potassium foods can be an effective strategy. 7. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is a remarkable beverage with a multitude of potential benefits for kidney health. Its rich antioxidant content, particularly proanthocyanidins, equips it with anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable ally against chronic inflammation, a contributing factor to kidney damage and dysfunction. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2013 corroborated these effects, demonstrating that cranberry juice consumption led to a reduction in markers of inflammation in subjects with chronic kidney disease. Furthermore, cranberry juice has long been revered for its ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. The proanthocyanidins present in cranberries act as a shield, preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining, thus diminishing the risk of UTIs. Recent research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2016 substantiated this claim, revealing that cranberry products, including cranberry juice, can effectively reduce the recurrence of UTIs, a benefit that reverberates positively throughout the entire kidney health spectrum. As if that weren't enough, cranberry juice also provides formidable antioxidant protection. Oxidative stress can wreak havoc on kidney cells and contribute to kidney diseases. A comprehensive review in Advances in Nutrition in 2019 underscored the potential of cranberry polyphenols in alleviating oxidative stress and fortifying kidney function. But the benefits of cranberry juice don't stop there. For individuals at risk of kidney disease due to high blood pressure, cranberry juice offers potential support. Studies published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2015 have hinted at cranberry juice's role in modestly reducing blood pressure, a significant boon for kidney health, especially among hypertensive individuals. Lastly, cranberry juice may even help prevent the formation of certain kidney stones, including the common calcium oxalate stones. The compounds within cranberry juice have the remarkable ability to thwart the crystallization of calcium oxalate in the urine, potentially reducing the likelihood of stone formation. Have you chosen any of the foods options mentioned above? Please share your journey and experiences with us. We are eager to listen, learn, and improve kidney health together. Your comments can serve as a source of inspiration and knowledge for others in the community. Together, we can create a healthier future for everyone. Please leave your story in the comments section below. We sincerely appreciate your contribution to building a kidney health conscious community. See you in the next video.